Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, March 7th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold had a nice green candle yesterday, decent green candle yesterday, a little bit of an upper wick, but it's closing near the highs. Today we did break to a higher high on this daily candle, but managed to close near the lows. We're alternating between on this reversal candle, green, red, but keep in mind that we are still setting on consecutive daily candles, higher lows, and still breaking to higher highs, even though we did close at the low of the day. And so if I was playing gold, just the gold chart, what I would want to see tomorrow is either if it's going to continue because it closed near the low of the day, because yesterday it closed near the high of the day and had a big red day, I would wait for a break to a lower low on this daily. So a bear play would come into play if it broke 13.23 tomorrow, and we'll see if we get a bounce overnight, and if we break above 13.42 tomorrow, that means the bulls are still in control at this moment on this daily chart from this bottom reversal, and the next resistance is going to be the high after the high of today of 13.42, breaking 13.42.90. For breaking 13.42.90, this daily chart has changed from setting lower highs and lower lows to setting a higher high on the daily. So this is going to be a big resistance test if we are able to break, if bulls are able to break 13.42. Bears, what they want to do again is break the low of today of 13.23 and change this trend of consecutive daily candles of higher lows and higher highs. So my bear play would come in if you're in pure gold play if it breaks 13.23 tomorrow on the next daily candle. Looking at miners, we'll look at junior miners first. So yesterday I spoke about, let me go to the JNUG chart, because I'm going to share the JNUG chart yesterday. So I said yesterday, for those swing traders who are still in a swing trade, what I would do is exit on a break of the low here of 1407. And the previous day you could see that it closed near the highs, and that really led to some nice continuation. And yesterday, even though it went higher, let me remove these. I can remove these. These are a different time frame. Even though it went higher, it closed near the lows, which gave me some thought that we're going to consolidate further. And you can see on the hourly we had a high, we set a lower high and set a lower low. And I said that the stop should be at this low here and go short at 1407. And you can see the downside after it broke 1407, had a ton of downside today and pulled back all the way back down to yesterday's lows at 1302. So we're at 1302 currently, is going to be the support to watch. If it breaks below 1302, I would take a short on it, as long as this hourly RSI, this is over, getting to the oversold territory, so you want it cooled down overnight. Or if it's still near these levels in the morning, then I would look for a bounce first before playing a double bottom break. So look for a bounce and then look for a break of 1302 to play it bearish, or to play the inverse JDST. If I was a bull, I would play it bullish for some upside if it broke 1343 at this point. So 1343 is going to be the resistance I watch tomorrow, and 1302 is going to be the support break that I watch tomorrow. And again, be mindful of this RSI. The RSI, we don't want these levels if you're trying to play a bear play on JNUG by playing JDST. You don't want it down on these levels. You want a little bit of a bounce first. Look at JDST. We are at overbought territory. JDST hasn't even gotten to the highs of yesterday of 59.48, so be mindful of that. JDST, same thing. You can clearly see that on the hourly, it's continuing to set higher lows here, higher low all day today. So tomorrow, look for a break of 58.87 if the hourly RSIs cool down overnight. And then look for the next resistance here at 59.18, and then 59.48. If you're looking for a bear play, look for initial loss of 57.66. What I would really want to see for a bear play, though, would be a loss of 57.29 at this point. And that could give you some clues to play JNUG. GDX, the senior miners. Senior miner clearly breaking below the low. Let me see.